mag-check ka sa atong mulberry tara sa garden. So mauna siya, that's the mulberry. Itong i-check because they have lots of fruits already. Yay! This one. Yan, ito lang yung trees niya sa mulberry. So I'm not expecting na mag-fruit uli siya because it's out of season already. So look at that when I trim it. It's like this. Wow! So there is a, this one is ready already. See, it's only like that. So ito yung mga bunga niya guys, red na red. Wow. So it's so dami na bunga, but unlike before, it's so madami bunga. But this time, not really because it's out of season, but still good. Like this. Wow. This is the mulberry. See, it's already ready. It's black. This one is already black. And this is the old trees. That one. So what else do we have? Hang on. Dalawang trees to. Yung isa is, I'm gonna pick this. And I'm gonna eat. Eat na ako. So we'll check the other one. The other one is not really mini fruit. So that one. That one is the other trees. So not much fruit in here. So like that. And that. So it's still red. Wow, so that's it. And it's sunny today. It's sunny. And there's another fruit. I'm gonna check. And this is a sour soup. See? It's so low. We'll see. So nilagyan ko ng this one for protection sa insects. So this one also. There's another one. Where is it? So there's another one in here. It's a sour soup. Hindi masyado makita guys. So ito lang yung trees niya. Marami pa siyang bunga pero konti lang siya. And what else? So that's the apple tree. And it's the rose mallow. So what else? Punta tayo sa lemon. So that's the lemonade. Not lemon, it's a lemonade. Lemonade is different from lemon. Lemonade is a combination of orange and lemon. That's why it's called lemonade. But we ready na ito siya guys. Pero ano siya? Basta ready na siya. Oh, yellow na oh. Ang tamis nito guys, kahit green, it's so tamis. So, kunti lang yung bunga this year. Unlike before. Ang daming bunga. So, ayan siya. So, ayan lang yung puno niya. At saka, merong web dito. Oh my gosh. Hala. Oh, ayan yung web. Hala. Tingnan natin. Oh, hala. Guys, sabi ang web oh. Ano siya guys. So we'll go to the next fruit. This one is bush orange, bush lemon. Whoop, this is a bush lemon guys. See? So that's a bush lemon. Like that. So only lang, ito lang yung ano niya, 3. Kala ko hindi na ito magbubunga guys. So ayan siya oh. So madami na din siyang bunga guys. Ang asim nito guys. Maganda to sa sausawan. I-mix. Yan siya. And ito yung mandarin. Look at that. How small is the tree? But look at the... Ala, medyo ready la. Pit na ang ready niya. So, ayan yung ano niya guys. Fruit. That. Wow. Ang dami oh. 3. Wow. So, that's the orange. Yan sa hand. Yan yung banana natin. This is another orange but wala siyang bunga. Another bananas. Pijowa. So we'll go to passion fruit. Okay. Taran! This is the passion fruit. Wow, na siya bunga. Oh. Wow. Wait na pa siya. Wow, it's so low man. So madami na siyang bunga guys. Oh. May siyang bunga. Meron na siyang malaki. Dito tayo. Dito. Wow, this one is so big na. That one. Wait. Nagsusulaw. This one is so big na. Oh. Nilagyan ko ng protection, insect protection, net bag. So, marami na siyang mga maliliit guys. So, ito pa oh. Ang laki na. Uy. Wow, it's so big. There's another one. So 1, so 3, plant of passion fruit. And these are my far baby crook. That's my crookie. So there's another one. So I think wala siyang bunga. And we'll go here. We'll go here. Ito, madaming bunga din. Wala siyang bunga guys. Dito tayo, dito. Ito yung passion fruit natin. So ito, may isang bunga dito. Meron din siya. So maglagay na naman ako ng protection. Yung net niya, net bag. Ito, maliit pa siya guys. Para hindi siya kainin. Hindi natin ng net bag. Ano siya guys. Wow! 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 Ito pa siya. Wow, it's so big. I hope padayon siya. So that's it. Ito pala yung pangalan dito, Jacaranda. Yan, so meron pang isang orange dito guys. One only. Ito yung ito. Ano to siya? Valencia. So ito pa. So yan yung weather natin today. So ito orange din, bloody orange. Yung iba hindi na nag-ano. So yun lang for today. And thank you for watching.